Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer. Had to bite the bullet and run into town to get a new tank for my well. I'm assembling it now. I'm cutting my PVC. I had to cut this PVC with a hand hacksaw because my battery powered one's over in the well house, and I'm not going to do all that run around, and I had a hacksaw. One thing about it, you get all these little slivers around here. You can take your knife and cut off all those little slivers to make a clean cut. When you glue this, I always use this purple primer. You get a purple primer to supposedly clean everything, and then you get a glue. Well, what I'll do, put the primer on there, and I put it on this pipe, and I put it on the inside of this fitting. And what I did after that, I put a lot of glue on the inside of this fitting and a lot of glue on the outside of this pipe, and I got it shoved on there, and then I turned it around one full turn, going in one direction. It don't matter which one. And after I did that, it's pretty well locked down. A lot of guys that do plumbing regular can just use glue. I'm not that guy, and I hate plumbing, and you'll probably hear that again before it's all over with. So what I've got to do, I've already put my Teflon tape on here. You wrap Teflon tape like you would screw on that to get it to go in. Well, you wrap your tape around like that too. That way you don't unravel your tape. And I go on this, I don't know how far it's going to go in, so I just went all the way down and came back up. And that should suffice on what I need for the Teflon tape. Luckily, I had some here at the house. I don't do a lot of plumbing, but I've had Teflon tape for when I needed it, and I need it today because I don't like not having water. But anyway, the way my videos are, I'm sorry I can't edit this and show you this, but I'll show you when I'm connecting everything up. And did I mention I hate plumbing? Okay, don't know. But anyway, I will connect that to that, and then I will be going over to the pump house with some pipe, glue, and fittings to put this tank in. And I'll take and set everything up, and I'll get it all glued together. And this tank comes pre-charged, so all I have to do is connect it up and wait for the glue joints to dry, and then I can cut my water back on. And it was just a mess. My water had been running. It was like a swamp over there. Got my truck stuck, and I'll have to deal with that. But if I got water to wash with, I can deal with my truck stuck because I weren't planning on going anywhere for a couple of weeks anyway, unless I have to make a grocery store run, and I really don't. It'd just be to get out just to look. And I was going to run get some wood for the tree burning project today, but this took priority, and it was raining. Everything going on. Could anything else happen today? And a friend of mine carried me up to the hardware store, and I'd been out yesterday, so I was worried of what I might have been exposed to. Not that I'm showing any symptoms or anything, so I rode on the back of the truck to the hardware store. And I kind of got in there and got out, and normally I go up there a lot so the people know me. I said, hi, bye. I was getting out of there. But getting her done. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.